Some people will do anything to make their car run better, even things they absolutely should not be doing. Today I'm exposing 20 so-called illegal car tricks that people talk about online. But more importantly, I'll show you the legal, safe, and actually smart alternatives that give you the performance boost without fines, danger, or a destroyed engine. You've never heard most of these before. Let's get into it. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you love cars, myths, hacks, and real performance tips that actually work, hit that like button and subscribe. It helps the channel more than you know. Alright, let's look at these 20 illegal tricks people brag about, and what you can really do instead. 1. Removing the speed limiter. Illegal myth. Some drivers try to hack the ECU to remove the factory speed limiter. This is extremely illegal on public roads and can get your license taken instantly. Legal alternative. Use better airflow mods like high-flow air filters or cold air intakes. They improve throttle response and acceleration without touching the top speed limiter. 2. Removing the catalytic converter. Illegal myth. People remove the cat for sound and exhaust flow. This ruins emissions and is illegal in every US state. Legal alternative. Install a high-flow performance catalytic converter. They increase airflow, add horsepower, and keep your car road legal. 3. Using race fuel on public roads. Illegal myth. Running aviation fuel or racing fuel on the street. This damages engines and violates emission laws. Legal alternative. Use high-quality, premium fuel combined with a fuel system cleaner. Your engine timing adjusts and gives you smoother power delivery. For underground ECU tunes. Illegal myth. Black market ECU tunes that bypass emissions checks. They void warranties and break federal law. Legal alternative. Choose CARB-approved performance tunes. They boost horsepower legally and keep your vehicle compliant. 5. Removing O2 or emission sensors. Illegal myth. Removing O2 sensors supposedly increases power. It actually destroys fuel economy and fails inspections. Legal alternative. Clean or replace your MAF and O2 sensors. A clean sensor can restore lost horsepower immediately. 6. DIY octane booster mixtures. Illegal myth. Mixing chemicals to boost octane. This is dangerous, unpredictable, and illegal in many states. Legal alternative. Use certified commercial octane boosters designed for engines. They safely increase octane and improve combustion. 7. Hidden nitrous systems. Illegal myth. Installing nitrous oxide hidden in the car. Not allowed on public roads and extremely risky. Legal alternative. Give your engine more dense oxygen the safe way. A cold air intake. Lower intake temps equals more power legally. 8. Disabling transmission torque limiters. Illegal myth. Editing the TCU to remove protections. This can destroy your transmission. Legal alternative. Use upgraded transmission fluid or legal TCU updates. They reduce lag and smooth your shifts safely. 9. Removing airbags or safety parts for weight reduction. Illegal myth. Removing airbags or crash bars to reduce weight. This is extremely illegal and dangerous. Legal alternative. Remove non-essential weight, roof racks, spare tools, backseat clutter. Instant improvement in handling and acceleration. 10. Track-only suspension on public roads. Illegal myth. Ultra-low, track-only, suspension that fails. Rules. This causes scraping and handling instability. Legal alternative. Use height adjustable street legal. You get sharper handling and can stay within legal ride height. 11. Using aviation lubricants. Illegal myth. Pouring airplane lubricants into car engines. Wrong viscosity destroys seals and can be illegal. Legal alternative. Use top-tier full synthetic oil and high-performance additives. You'll get smoother power and better engine protection. 12. Drilling holes in the airbox. Illegal myth. People drill holes to increase airflow. This invites dust, water, and engine damage. Legal alternative. Install a performance airbox with proper filtration. You get higher airflow and engine safety. 13. Completely disabling traction control. Illegal myth. Removing traction control entirely. Dangerous and illegal in many states. Legal alternative. Use sport mode. It reduces traction control enough to feel sporty, but keeps you safe. 14. Black market performance chips. Illegal myth. Chips that hack engine sensors. These often fake numbers and cause long-term damage. Legal alternative. Use manufacturer-approved piggyback modules. Real gains, real data. Safe for your engine. 15. Muffler deletion straight pipe. Illegal myth. Removing the muffler for sound and flow. Illegal almost everywhere. Legal alternative. Go for a catback exhaust. Still louder, still more flow, but 100% street legal. 16. Using racing slicks on the street. Illegal myth. Street driving on nan-dot tires. Dangerous in rain and illegal. Legal alternative. Use ultra-high-performance summer tires. They give nearly race-level grip legally. 17. Lowering a car too much. Illegal myth. Slammed cars that scrape the road. This fails safety inspections. Legal alternative. Lower the car within legal limits using quality coilovers. Still aggressive. Still looks good, but safe. 18. Spoofing the intake temperature sensor. Illegal myth. Tricking the engine into thinking the air is cold. This ruins the fuel mixture. Legal alternative. Use heat-shielded intakes, engine bay insulation, or hood vents. Low attempts the right way. 19. Driving without a hood. Legal myth. People drive hoodless to keep the engine cool. Illegal, unsafe, and dangerous. Legal alternative. Install proper hood vents or lube. They reduce heat buildup legally. 20. Disconnecting ABS for more control. Illegal myth. Cutting ABS lines for drift-style braking. Dangerous and illegal. Legal alternative. Upgrade to high-performance brake pads, rotors, and fluid. Better control, shorter stopping distance, and fully legal. And there you go, minus 20 so-called illegal tricks people talk about online, along with the smart, legal alternatives that actually make your car run better without fines, danger, or busted engines. If you found this video useful or learned something new, hit that like button, subscribe for more car content, and drop a comment telling me which upgrade you want to try first. Drive safe, stay legal, and I'll see you in the next one.